Hello students, in today's video we are going to start our discussion on module 4, that is forensic and creative accounting. We all know that in today's world there is rise in business activities, whether it is online business or whether it is offline business through a store. There is a rise in business activities. Now with the rise in business activities, there is also been rise in frauds, scams that are happening through business activities, and all these things have led to a new branch for accounting, that is forensic accounting. Now what is this forensic accounting? Let us study in detail. First, let us understand what is forensic. The word forensic means suitable for court of law or used in or suitable course of judicature or to public discussion and debate. So the word forensic means which is suitable for a court. Now suppose if there is a dispute or if a discussion has to happen wherein you need to prove certain things, whether one party is right or wrong. Now for that you require certain proofs, right? So that is forensic. Okay, and accounting, we already know accounting is art of recording business transactions, analyzing, verifying and recording the results of those transactions. So let us see what is this forensic accounting. Now forensic accounting is new branch of accounting that uses investigative skills to determine the accuracy of companies' financial statements, specifically in legal dispute. So this forensic accounting is a new method of accounting which is using investigative skills to determine whether companies' financial statements are properly maintained or no, and if they are maintained, are they properly reported to all the stakeholders and government. Okay, not just that, they also see whether this accounts that are maintained, they are as per the laws which are applicable. Now for example, if you take partnership business, so partnership business has to be carried out according to Partnership Act. When it comes to companies have to be carried out as per Companies Act. Not just that, they have to also follow income tax rules, they have to follow GST rules and regulations. So lot of rules and regulations are applicable to business, and keeping this in mind, business activities are to be done. But in case if there is a dispute on a company or a business organization as to they are not properly maintaining the records or disclosing financial statement, so in that case we can make use of forensic accounting to determine whether to determine the accuracy of financial statements. So for that we require forensic accounting. I hope you have understood what is the meaning of forensic accounting. Now moving on further, let us discuss what is significance of forensic accounting. Significance in the sense, we are going to discuss what is the need or importance of forensic accounting, in which areas we can make use of forensic accounting. So the first one is assessment and settlement of insurance claim. Now using forensic accounting, you can determine what is insurance claim, especially if there is loss of property. Now see, when it comes to business organizations, they always have property. So if there is loss to that property on account of fire or any other incident, and if the goods and building is properly insured, so in that case, to assess what is your insurance claim, you can make use of forensic accounting to determine how much property is being insured, at what amount, and how much claim can you recover from the insurance company. All this can be analyzed with the help of forensic accounting. So here forensic accounting is useful. Secondly, detection of frauds. The forensic accountant can provide information to detect frauds which are committed by the employees or by any person in a business organization. You can detect all these frauds with the help of forensic accounting. Now sometimes employees might fail to record the transaction properly or the stock of the business properly. They might not record certain transaction. There can be pickpocketing. Anything can happen in a business, especially when it comes to bigger organization wherein there are a lot of people who are working. So it becomes difficult to identify who has made the mistake, because all the employees are not loyal to the organizations. So any kind of fraud or scam can be done from employees side as well. So to detect such frauds, we can make use of forensic accounting, wherein forensic accountant will go through all the details of account. He has got special skills to determine where the fraud might take place. Okay, so they will go through all the financial statement records, everything, all the documents of the company, and try to detect the fraud. So in this field we can make use of forensic accounting. Next is assistance in criminal investigation proceedings. So forensic accounting is very much used in case of criminal investigation. Okay, so if there is any criminal investigation that is happening on a company, you never know what the employees of the company are doing. So in that case also we can make use of forensic accounting to see if there are any criminal investigations on the company. So forensic accountant can go through all the records of the company and determine if any crime has been done by the employees of the company or by the owner of the company or any person who is belonging to the company. So there also forensic accounting can be made use of. Next is arbitration services. Now first let us understand what is arbitration service. Arbitration is the process of solving an argument between people by helping them to agree on an acceptable solution. You see, many a times what happens is people don't agree on a particular point of view. So in that case you need to have arbitration. You need to have people come together, discuss the matter, and try to have consensus amongst the people, that is they should agree to one particular point. Okay, so in that case also you can make use of forensic accounting, where you can present all facts and figures by a forensic accountant. He can properly present all the facts and figures stating that why you should accept a particular point of view of a certain person or a situation that might happen in a company. So in this case forensic accounting can be made use of, because forensic accountant will properly go through all the documents, will study, he will investigate, and then he can help the parties to achieve a common perspective about things by presenting proper facts and figures. So in this case also we can make use of forensic accounting. Next is miscellaneous dispute. Now apart from this there can be other disputes, just like in case of partnership. Suppose a partner is retiring from the business, so if you have to make settlement for him, so who will be a proper person or what type of accounting can be utilized? You can make use of forensic accounting, wherein all the records will be properly checked and you can then determine how to settle the dues of a partner. Then if there is any professional negligence which is done by the company, now professional negligence cannot be blamed on a particular person, because in the company there are lot of people who are working, so you cannot pinpoint as actually who has done the fraud or who has been negligent. So for that detailed investigation is required, and when a detailed investigation is required, in that case we can make use of forensic accounting. Then if there is infringement of patents or trademarks, suppose if the trademarks or patents have been used by some other company, so in that case proper investigation is required. Now you might have seen there are many companies who are selling duplicate goods in the market using various brand names or trademarks. So for trademarks, patents, misuse of that, everything can be taken care by forensic accountant. He will go through everything, and he will come at a conclusion, and he will also help the company in case if the matter reaches court as well. Okay, apart from that, if any trade secrets have been revealed outside, so in that case also you can make use of forensic accounting. And if there are any construction delays that are happening to the organization because there is no proper documentation, proper permissions from various departments, so in that case also forensic accountant can be hired and the services can be taken, and you can come at a proper conclusion as to why there is delay in construction or in any other matter. If there is loss of goodwill, now why a firm is facing loss of goodwill, either it is done by the employees or by the customers, or there is some third party who is trying to defaming the company. So in all such miscellaneous matters also you can make use of forensic accounting, using which you can arrive at a proper conclusion, and it will also help you in case of legal matters. Okay, such proofs can be presented in front of court and you can get justice as well. So I hope you have understood what is forensic accounting as well as what is significance of forensic accounting. With this I conclude for today. Thank you.